Hello all. In this video, we will see FIFO page replacement algorithm and its working with the help of an example. So consider this question. So suppose we are given a page reference string, which is given over here, and we want to count how many page faults will occur in case if we use FIFO page replacement algorithm, and we are given working set of 3 frames. Right, so when we are given a working set of 3 frames, it means that at a time only 3 pages can be in main memory at most. Okay, so our page reference string is 2 3 2 1 5 2 4 5 3 2 5 2. Okay, and we are given a memory with 3 frames, right? So here we are given a memory with 3 frames. Okay, so the very first page we will bring into main memory is 2, right? So we get a page fault and we bring that page into main memory. Likewise, when we need page number 3, we will take it into main memory. Okay, now when you again need 2 is already there, so there is no page fault. Then the next page which we take into main memory is 1, right? So since this algorithm is FIFO page replacement algorithm, we will maintain a FIFO queue. Which page was taken into main memory first? 2, then 3, and then 1. Okay, and now the replacement will begin, right? Because now my main memory is full. Okay, so when I need page number 5, I need to replace one of the pages. Okay, and the FIFO page replacement algorithm says whichever page was taken into the main memory first will be replaced first. So out of 2 3 1, 2 was taken first, as the queue suggests, so 2 would be chosen as victim, right? And instead of 2 we will bring in 5. Okay, so now main memory will have pages 5 3 1, and 5 is taken into main memory, so 5 enters into the queue. Then we again need a 2. So since we need a 2, which page was taken into main memory first? 3. So what we do is we replace 3. Okay, so now in memory we have 5 2 1. Okay, then we need, and of course since 2 is taken into main memory, we'll enter it into the queue. Okay, then we need page number 4, right? As you can see over here, 4 is not there in main memory, so which page will be replaced? First page, first in first out. So out of 5 to 1, 1 came first, so 1 was replaced. So now we have main memory with 5 2 and 4. Now we need 5, it is already there, so no page fault. So now directly we come to for page number 3, but since now 4 is into main memory, we will enter it into the queue. Now when we needed 5, 5 was already there, so no page fault, no page fault, no diagram, right? Then we need 3, 3 is not there, so we replace 5. Okay, so 5 is replaced, so in memory we have 3 2 and 4, and 3 is taken into main memory. Now we need 2, 2 is already there, no page fault. We again need a 5, right? We again need a 5. So out of 2 4 3, which page will be replaced? 2 will be replaced, so what we get is 3 5 4. Okay, 3 5 4, and then we want page number 2, right? 5 is taken into the queue. We want page number 2, it is not there, so which page will be replaced? Fourth page will be replaced, right? So what we get is 3 5 and 2. So how many page faults you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So number of page faults with FIFO page replacement algorithm is 9. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.